Hey dudes and dudettes, I figured I'd show you guys real quick
Hi.
how to play Release by Pearl Jam. It's pretty simple, it's only a couple chords. Um, I am by no means a professional guitarist, musician, any of that stuff, but I've been, twonking away on this song probably for, I don't know, how long's the album been out? Over, isn't it a long time, 28 years, I think. So, easily one of my favorite Pearl Jam songs of all time. That album was great, by the way, from beginning to end. Anyways, so it starts off with a D, and it's just kind of like a flourish. So it's just a D chord. Okay, so. And that's the whole beginning where they're like, and then it goes into your three chords that are pretty much the whole song. So it's D, B minor, to a C. And then you could play it D and then the bar B minor to a C. My hands don't work that way because I kind of got boo-boos, so I try to play it as simply as possible, which is also why I play a lot up here, is evidenced by all the worn out frets. But anyway, that's the whole song. See me now. I am myself like you. Somehow I'll wait up in the dark for you to speak to me. And it just goes on and on and on. And then the fade, again, it's D, B minor, C, so it's. And you hear that, it's like that one note. It's just from pulling off of the neck to get that one note. So it's. And it just fades out. So there you go. Pretty simple. Try it, practice it, and then post it on YouTube and see how awesome you do. Like, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, criticize, all that stuff down below. See you guys on the next one.